Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is Aiza. For today's vlog, I will be unboxing Yi 1080p IP Cam Home Camera Human Detection Function. And without further ado, let's get started. So ayun guys, a quick overview lang bakit kami bumili ng Yi 1080p IP Cam Home Camera. Because kailangan namin siya para sa anak namin and kailangan namin maglagay ng spare pa para sa room. Yes, para sa room. And then, ayun, alam niyo naman kung saan galing itong balot na to. So, ayan. So, napakamura lang niya guys. Bago pa siya. And, ayan. So, ito na yung item natin. So, Yi 1080p home camera requires a mobile phone and the Yi Home app. The app is available for download at the App Store and Google Play. So, ayan siya guys. So, ito yung itsura niya. Ayan. So, ayan. Ito na siya guys. And nakalagay 1080p HD, wide angle, night vision, two-way audio, and baby crying detection. So, madedetect niya kung umiiyak yung anak mo. And, ayan, ito yung nakalagay sa likod. So, we have Yi 1080 home camera requires mobile phone and Yi Home app. So, you need to download a Yi Home app for you to use this device. Alright, so ayan, may nakalagay din na 1080p HD human detection, and we have here the lens wide angle, yung audio niya, built-in microphone and speaker enhancement. They have the 3D noise reduction, and the Wi-Fi is 802.11 BGN. So it supports the platform Android and iOS, and they have the wireless security, the power supply, and the power consumption. Alright, so here we go. Let's open it. And we open it like that. Ito siya guys. Here is the box, and ayan siya. And ayan na siya guys. So, ganyan yung itsura niya. Okay. And, natitilt mo siyang ganyan, ganyan. So, pwede mo siyang nakalagay na ganyan. And, pwede mo siyang itayo lang na ganyan. Like this one. There. So, pwede mo siyang itayong ganyan. And, ayan. And sa loob ng box is we have the here Yi Cloud. Ayan. So, Yi Cloud storage, 24/7 video surveillance and recording, financial, industry level encryption, storage, and backup. So, if you present this QR code, you will receive 33% off. So if you avail the cloud service nila, And here's the manual. This is ang charge niya. Ayan, naka-USB siya. And then, here's the USB cable. So, ayan. So, yun yung USB cable niya. And so we have here the Yi. Alright. So thank you for choosing Yi. And may card sila. And the limited warranty for Yi products. So they have the warranty card. So ayun guys, to sum up, ang laman ng box is etong device ni Yi. And then yung Yi card. So yung warranty card niya. And then the Yi Cloud discount. Yung QR code. So if you wanted to save your videos via cloud, then you can avail the 33 discount off. And the manual, and the USB cable, and the USB cable and the adapter. So yun yung laman ng box niya. Okay? So yun guys, etong Yi camera, ayan, so tatanggalin mo siya. So may nakalagay naman na please remove before using. So may plastic pa siyang nakalagay. And then dito guys, kung ayaw nyo naman mag-avail ng, if you don't want to avail the cloud storage nila, pwede kayong bumili ng micro SD card and i-insert mo siya dito. Ayan o. Dito mo siya i-insert. Yung micro SD card. And of course, para ma-on mo siya, kailangan mong isaksak dito yung, isaksak dito yung USB niya. Ayan, so ganito yung mangyayari niya, guys. So, ito. So, isasaksak mo siya dito. So, dito mo siya sasaksak. Like this one. Ayan. So, ganyan mo siya. Dito mo siya isasaksak. Ayan. So, ganyan siya, guys. Ganyan yung itsura niya. And of course, kailangan mo siyang isaksak para mag-on. And for you to check, kailangan meron kang Yi app. Okay, so kailangan nyo pong i-download yung Yi mobile app. Alright, so for you to check. And ang kagandahan nito guys is, kung may pera ka pa, so pwede ka pang bumili ng another spare na ganito. And ilagay mo siya sa kitchen, sa living room. So, yun, may CCTV ka na and maa-access mo siya dun sa cellphone mo. And pwede mo siyang ma-assign doon na ito yung kitchen, ito yung living room, ito yung bedroom. Wow. So, ganun guys. Ayan. What are the advantages of having the 1080p? First is it's more cheaper. Nabili namin siya 769 pesos nung November 11 na sale ni Lazada. And then, of course, you can monitor home from your phone. Wherever you go, then you can check your home. You can check your baby, you can check your pet, and you will receive activity alerts when motion is detected. So, yun yung kagandahan niya, guys. So, whenever may naglalakad sa terrace nyo, then may alert siya, may madedetect siya. And automatic yun na nare-receive sa cellphone mo. And then you will also have the panoramic view. So you can view like 112-degree wide angle lens. Yun yung kagandahan niya. And of course, you can capture, save, and share photos and videos. Alright, so that's all, guys. Those are the advantages of having the Yi 1080p camera. That's all for this vlog. And if you like the video, please click the like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button and click